With the Ethereum price taking a little bit of a plunge over the last couple of days, we're now starting to see it taking a bounce here, but I don't think the downside action is over for Ethereum right just now because of lots of other things. But there is so much exciting stuff happening for Ethereum, such as this news over here, such as this news that Ethereum could flip Bitcoin in the next 3 years, according to Galaxy Digital Trading co-head, basically saying that because the digital asset offers so many different use cases, it's what's driving institutional interest. Institutions are what are basically going to change crypto and change the game of crypto for the rest of us by driving huge amounts more funds into crypto. As people become educated in the space, they understand what the value proposition of crypto is. They start to understand the power of smart contracts, the layer one that so many brilliant minds can build on. Ethereum is the copper, Bitcoin is the digital gold. So you've heard it there, guys. Basically, lots of people saying that the market cap of Ethereum is going to outgrow the market cap of Bitcoin. Now, obviously, towards the summer, when we see all this Ethereum news coming in, we're going to see lots of changes happening within the markets. But if you want to be in the best place to keep up with what's happening in the markets, then I'm giving away free spaces for my premium Telegram group, which I'll be launching on Monday. And all you need to do to get a free space in my premium Telegram for signals, news, and much, much more is smash the like button, hit the subscribe, and leave a comment down below, guys, and I'll get you in that as soon as possible. Without further ado, let's jump into the chart for today. What we can see, guys, we had this breakout, and obviously when we move up more aggressively, we tend to move down more aggressively. But what's good to see is we did find a resistance here, but more crucially, we've got this support coming in here. Now we're starting to put in lower lows, and it wouldn't surprise me if potentially we see another lower low creeping in here, which would show us something of a pattern like this, and that, depending on whether it's got a narrowing or whatever, it could be something similar to this. Obviously not exactly known right now, but this could give us a better chance to buy Ethereum a little bit lower. And what we can do is, taking from the previous swing low, dropping it up to the top, we can see that these key areas come into play for Ethereum. So what we can see is at the moment we've bounced perfectly off the 0.382. Wouldn't surprise me at all if we came up to around 3322 and drop back down to potentially retest the 0.5 at $3,041. And almost worst case for me right now, guys, is the 0.618, which is here at $2,921. So imagine that we're going to see something a little bit like this play out. Obviously, that's my artistic reference, guys. It's not saying exactly what's going to happen. I'm anticipating that we're going to see a fall towards lower levels as we kind of continue to maintain ourselves above this area of support, which is obviously very strong and ultimately bullish despite moving in a downwards direction, because these patterns do break towards the upside. This is what we would call a bull flag, where we have a sort of a flagpole and then sort of the flag itself. And then we can say that potentially our price target from a breakout like this would be taking the height of the flagpole, dropping to a potential breakout position. Obviously, depending on how long it stays in there, the breakout position can change. And then that brings us all the way up to $4,241. Now, why would that be significant? Let's take a look from the previous swing high, drop it down to the swing low over the last sort of few months or so. You can see that we have crucial layers coming in. And in terms of our price target, guys, can't write this, 0.786, pretty much perfectly. For a potential shorter term breakout, obviously there's no guarantee of how long this can take, but we can kind of have an idea of what may well be playing out. As long as we're staying above the $2,900, $3,000, I think we still remain very bullish for the Ethereum price, and we will be continuing towards this level. Once we get to this level, we potentially may see a bigger pullback before pushing on, as we did last time, guys, when we were around this area down here, which is where we've just been. We pushed up, we had a big pullback. This pullback back then was around 33%, and from that 33%, we then saw a strong push, 78%. So you can see that we're kind of following a similar route to what happened last time. Obviously, just because it's happened before doesn't guarantee that it's going to happen again. None of this is financial advice. Always go away and do your own research, guys. What is looking like on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, though? Looking into the Ethereum Bitcoin chart on the daily, though, things are looking very good. When we see Ethereum moving aggressively against Bitcoin, it shows that the rest of the crypto market is going up. This is crypto market up. Obviously, Ethereum moves more aggressively because it's got a smaller market cap. For now, this is crypto industry going down, and Ethereum falls harder against Bitcoin. But what we're doing is we're now breaking through previous resistance, and now we're going to start to test this resistance level again here. Notice very similar for what we've seen in Ethereum and Bitcoin all the way back since the end of April last year. Pretty much a year ago, we've been kind of in this cycle. and you know, it's obviously we're due for a continuation where we'll be pushing further towards the upside in all things. But every time we're getting those pullbacks in the Ethereum price and the Bitcoin price, it gives us a perfect opportunity to jump in and potentially load up on some more crypto. Don't buy on the spikes when they ramp up like this, guys. No matter what anyone's telling you, you will always have a chance to buy lower pretty much most of the time. And even if you don't, then you know you're safeguarding yourself against potential collapse and disastrous situations, which is obviously what my trading and teaching is all about and why you need to get yourself into that Telegram group. As you know, guys, just smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below and say you want in, and I'll get you in as soon as possible. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you again soon with another episode. Bye-bye.